马儿要吃草。如果喜欢我的影片，记得按赞、订阅、加分享。
Mazda Motor Corporation, hereinafter referred to as Mazda. The Mazda Museum, where the Hiroshima headquarters is located, has been completely renovated, showcasing its entrepreneurial history and historic cars. It will open to the public on May 23, 2022. In this update, the spatial design and display content of the entire facility have been updated, designed to be more familiar to customers and local residents, and strengthen its function as a brand communication base. In addition, we opened the online Mazda Museum on Mazda's official website today. Let many people see the Mazda Museum exhibition in the new building, combining a drag color scheme with warm woods and lighting, indoors and outdoors. Combine the whole with the latest brand concept. Amenity, high quality and warmth are achieved in harmony. In addition, the museum consists of two exhibition areas, according to the theme of each exhibition area, guided by color and light. Will 100 years and the next 100 years. Thoughts carried by cars sent around the world. Mazda has created an online exhibition hall. You can experience Mazda's vision for the entire museum through one story. In addition to showcasing the latest models in the entrance hall, Mazda also set up a corner where you can relax, allows you to become more familiar with the Mazda brand. In addition, the production line vehicle assembly inside the actual factory can be seen in the museum. Let everyone understand the vehicle manufacturing process. In addition to the explanation of each area online, you can also enjoy the fusion of drone shots. Online Mazda Museum with realistic images, and Mazda Kids channel explaining the auto industry in plain language. Introduce the content method of automobile manufacturing. Next, let's take a look at the exhibition areas in the museum. I put the relevant links in the description column. You can watch the complete introduction to the museum through the link.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. like a year ago.